Darviny and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, this afternoon, I am making the 5-minute chicken. This is so easy. You can do this every week. You can have chicken every night. Your kids will love it. Your family will love it. Your friends will love it. It's super good. It's super easy. Ready? Chicken. Take the chicken out of the bag. Okay? Super easy. Put lemon over it because that cleans it. I don't put it under water anymore. Just put some lemon over it right here. Put it in a little thing to cook it. Now remember I had those potatoes that I was making? Well, I had some leftover potatoes. So the leftovers, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them at the bottom of the pan because the chicken, the juice of the chicken is going to bleed over it, and these potatoes are going to be so delicious. So once you put those in, then I'm going to marinate my chicken. That easy. It literally can time me. 5-minute chicken. Marinate the chicken with thyme and lemon. So here, now I'm going to put a little bit of white wine over it. A little white wine. A little bit of Himalayan salt. Some Provence herbs. Herbe de Provence, as we say in French, or bouquet garni, which you can only find over there. Bouquet garni is a mixture of all the French Provence herbs. And then I'm going to put some other little mixture that I made myself of some Provence herb that I blended together. And then what do I do with that also to make the chicken super moist is I put yogurt over it. The yogurt sounds strange, but they do this in India. So when you put the yogurt over it, you could also leave the yogurt over it for overnight if you wanted to, or over for the day, is that it moistens the chicken. So it makes the chicken super moist so it doesn't overcook. When you overcook the chicken, sometimes it gets dry. So this will prevent it from drying out while it's in the oven. And this is a little trick that I learned from my friend in India. And yogurt is great. So you can also marinate this chicken overnight or during the day like this, and that'll really seep in, or even just before, right? So now my chicken has the yogurt over it. It's got the potatoes, the white wine, the herbs. I'm going to put a few more herbs on this, a little bit more, so that it sticks with it. Okay, you're timing me because this is going quick. And then we are going to put the rosemary and the slices of lemon inside the cavity of the chicken. Inside the cavity of the chicken, the rosemary, which will give it a great flavor and and smell really good. And the pieces of lemon inside the cavity. And my favorite is that you could also put butter underneath the skin or inside. So I'm going to put a tiny bit of butter inside the cavity right here with that. And this butter will leak over the potatoes. Tiny bit, not a lot, right? Just for flavor. And you can take a little bit of olive oil to put over those potatoes as the chicken cooks. Voila. Fini, that's it. You take this, cover your chicken, and put it in the oven. I like to put it at 450 to blast it first and then bring it back down in 20 minutes to 350. So you preheat your oven at 450, which gives it a nice blast, a quick cook, and then it brings it down and it slowly cooks, and that yogurt is going to go into and kind of soften up the meat so it doesn't dry out, and all those flavors are going to bake inside the chicken. And that's it. That's a quick 5-minute chicken. Le poulet aux herbes et au citron. Okay? Les herbes is French, citron is lemon. Poulet aux herbes et au citron. Et voilà. Et bon appétit.